Hello children, welcome to online classes. Myself Mrs. Jyoti Kale from Upper Public School CBSE Kalburgi. I am a science teacher for grade 4. Today I am teaching the lesson number 6, our teeth and microbes. What's the lesson? Lesson number 6, our teeth and microbes. Shall we start, children? Our body is made up of so many organs. What is an organ? Organs, they are the parts of our body that perform a specific function. Can you name some of the organs of our body? Yes? Yes, some of the organs are like eyes, nose, stomach, heart, and so on. So like this, there are so many organs in our body. So organs, they have to perform a specific function. As I told you, organ is a part of our body that performs a specific function. So what are the functions? For example, what is the function of eyes? Eyes, they help us to see. For example, nose. What is the function of nose? It helps to breathe and smell. What is the function of stomach? It helps to digest the food. That means it helps in the digestion of the food. What is the function of heart? It helps to pump the blood to all the parts of our body. So like this, there are so many organs. Our body is made up of so many organs. In the same way, teeth. Teeth are also the organs of our body. So in today's session, we learn about teeth and their functions and sets of teeth. So what are the today's topic? Teeth and their functions and sets of teeth. Children, do you know the difference between a tooth and teeth? Yes? What is the difference between tooth and teeth? Teeth. Tooth and teeth. What is the difference? Remember, children, the tooth, it is a singular form. It is a word which is the singular form, and teeth is the plural form. So, for singular, we have to use the word like tooth, and for plural, we have to use teeth. So, we should not use the terms like tooths or teeth. It is incorrect. So, correct words, that is the tooth and teeth. Understood? Okay. Shall we move to the next? In general, sometimes we may suffer from the toothache. What is a toothache? Toothache means the pain in the tooth. He is called as a toothache. What is it? Toothache. Toothache. Toothache means sometimes we may suffer from the pain in the tooth. So that is called as a toothache. How we are using the terms like stomach ache for pain in the stomach and headache if we have the pain in the head. In the same way, toothache. So whenever we suffer from the toothache, where will you go? Yes? Yes, definitely. We are going to a doctor. For what? To have a checkup. So whenever we suffer from toothache, we are going to the doctor to have a checkup. Look at the picture here. Look at the picture here. What can you see here? So here In this picture, you can see the doctor and the patient. So what is the doctor doing over here? He is checking the teeth of this child. So he not only checks but also he treats, he takes care of our teeth. Do you know what is this doctor known as? Who takes care of our teeth? Yes, the doctor who takes care of our teeth. He is known as a dentist. What is he called? He is called as a dentist. The doctor who takes care of our teeth is known as dentist. The doctor who takes care of our teeth, he is called as a dentist. Now, we will study about the teeth and their functions. So, as I told you, the teeth they are also one of the organs of our body. So, being the organs, they have to perform a specific function. Specific function means a particular function, definite function. So, let us see the teeth and their functions. What are the functions carried out by the teeth? Where will you find the teeth, children? Yes? Yes, the teeth are present in our mouth. The teeth are present in our mouth. Touch your teeth and feel how they are. Yes? How are they? They are hard structures. How are they? They are hard structures present in our mouth. The teeth are the hard structures. What are teeth? Teeth are the hard structures present where they are present in our mouth, and they are harder than the bones. Not only harder than bones, but the teeth are the hardest part of our body. Remember, children, the teeth are the hardest part of our body. Teeth are the hardest part of our body. As you know, the teeth are present in our mouth. So this is a picture to show you the teeth. So we have the teeth are arranged on the two jaws. This one is the lips, upper and lower, and after that here this one is the upper jaw and this one is the lower jaw. See how the teeth are fixed on the jaws, on both the jaws, on the upper jaw and lower jaw. So the teeth, they are embedded in the jaws. Embedded means they are fixed very firmly. You touch it, can you move the teeth? No, because they are fixed very firmly on the jaws, on the upper joint, lower jaw. What it means? The teeth, they are embedded in our jaws. Then, so let us study about the functions of teeth. So about the structure, the teeth are the hard structures present in our mouth, and teeth are the hardest part of our body. They are embedded in our jaws. We have two jaws, upper joint, lower jaw. So let's study about the functions of teeth. Can you imagine what is the functions? What are the functions of teeth? Yes, can you imagine functions of teeth? So being the organs, the teeth have to perform a specific function. So what are the functions carried out by the teeth? Let us learn now. Functions of teeth. The important functions of teeth. The first one is teeth help us to chew the food. What is teeth? Help us in chewing the food. Teeth help us to chewing the food. What is the meaning of chewing? You know? See children, we are eating the food daily. So while eating the food, we keep the food in our mouth first, isn't it? So this food, it cannot be swallowed as it is. For example, if you are eating a biscuit or a roti or chapati, can you swallow it as it is? No, we cannot swallow. So that means it has to be broken down into smaller parts so that it can be swallowed easily. So that is breaking the food into smaller parts. That is known as chewing. What it is? Breaking the food into smaller parts so that it can be swallowed easily. So this is called as chewing. So teeth help us in chewing the food. This is the important function of teeth. So apart from this, the other functions of teeth are, second one is they help us to speak clearly. The teeth, they also help us to speak clearly. They help us to in pronouncing the words to speak clearly. And the next one is they give shape to our face. So these are the functions of teeth. The first function is teeth help us in chewing the food so that it can be swallowed easily. And second is they help us to speak clearly. And next one is they give shape to our face. So these are the functions of teeth. So let us move to the next one, that is the sets of teeth. sets of teeth. See children, in our entire lifespan, we have 2 sets of teeth. How many sets of teeth? We have 2 sets of teeth in our entire lifespan. Let us study which are those. So the 2 sets of teeth, they are, the first set is called as a milk teeth and the second set of teeth, it is known as a permanent teeth. So how many sets of teeth we have? We have 2 sets of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. So let us learn about the milk teeth. Have you ever seen a newborn baby? Yes? If not, look at the picture here. So it's the picture of a newborn baby. So can you observe any teeth here? How many teeth can you see? 1, 2, 3. How many? Can you see the teeth? No, we cannot see the teeth here. That means the babies are born without teeth. The newborn baby have no teeth. The babies are born without teeth. So that's why then see here, if the babies, if they don't have teeth, then how can they eat the food? Can they eat the food like us? No, they cannot eat. So that's why the babies were given only milk because they don't have teeth. So hence the babies they are given only milk as their food. They cannot eat the solid food like us. Understood? So let us see now. If the babies, if they don't have teeth, so then when do they begin to appear? Can you guess? When do the teeth begin to appear? So as the baby grows, gradually at the age of 6 to 8 months. What is the age? When the baby grows. At the age of 6 to 8 months, the teeth they begin to appear. When they begin to appear? When the baby is at the age of 6 or 8 months. The teeth they begin to appear. So after some days, as the baby grows, at the age of 2 years, say for example, by the time the child is about 2 years, he or she may have 20 teeth. How many teeth? He or she may have 20 teeth. So this set of 20 teeth, it is called as a milk teeth. At the age of 2 years, he or the baby will have how many teeth? 20 teeth. 20 teeth. And this set of 20 teeth, they are called as milk teeth. Got it, children? The set of 20 teeth at the age of 2 years. And this set of teeth, it is known as a milk teeth. And the milk teeth, they are also called as baby teeth. What they are called? Baby. Why they are called as baby teeth? Because they appear in the infant stage. So the baby stage. That's why these teeth are also called as a milk teeth. And other name for milk teeth, these are also known as primary teeth. What they are called? Primary teeth. Can you guess why they are called the primary teeth? Because they appear for the first time in our lifespan. So for that reason, the milk teeth are also known as primary teeth. Got it, children? About the milk teeth at the age of, when the baby is at the age of 6 or 8 months, these milk teeth they begin to appear. And as the baby grows, at the age of 2 years, the child will have a set of 20 teeth. And this set of 20 teeth, it is known as milk teeth. The milk teeth are also known as baby teeth or primary teeth. Here, children, shall we move on to the next one? The next one is about the permanent teeth. What is it? Permanent teeth. So let us learn. So as the child grows at the age of 6 to 7 years, can you observe any changes in the teeth? Yes? Can you observe? Yes, definitely. There is a change in the teeth. What changes? The milk teeth, they begin to fall off at the age of 6 to 8 years. At what age? At the age of 6 to 8 years. What will happen? The milk teeth begin to fall off. Okay. So after this, what will happen? Again, a new set of teeth will appear in place of the milk teeth. Got it, children? At the age of 6 to 8 years, the milk teeth they begin to fall. So, in place of the milk teeth, there is new teeth will grow in their place, and this set of new teeth that is known as permanent teeth. What it is? A set of new teeth. At the age of 20 years, at the age of 20 years, a person may have at the age of 20 years. A person may have how many teeth? 32 teeth. And this set of 32 teeth, it is said to be permanent teeth. Got it? Got it? The permanent teeth at the age of, as the child grows at the age of 6 to 8 years, the milk teeth they begin to fall off and they are replaced by another set of teeth. And at the age of 20 years, a person, he or she may have 32 teeth. And this set of 32 teeth, that is called as permanent teeth. Got it? So, here, the permanent teeth, we are getting it for the second time. As we know, the milk teeth, we are getting for the first time, and permanent teeth, as we are getting for the second time, these are known as the permanent teeth. They are also called as secondary teeth. The permanent teeth, they are also known as secondary teeth. Why they are called so? Because we are getting for the second time in our life. So that's why they are called as secondary teeth. So now we will discuss about the differences between milk teeth and permanent teeth. So, difference. What is the difference? The milk teeth appear at the age of when the baby is about 6 to 8 months. Whereas the permanent teeth, they appear at the age of 6 to 8 years. Then, how many teeth? Milk teeth, it is a set of 20 teeth. The number 20 teeth are there in milk teeth. And here we have 32 teeth. The number is 32 teeth are included in the permanent teeth. Then the milk teeth, they are called as baby teeth or primary teeth. Whereas the permanent teeth, they are called as secondary teeth. So remember children, if you are going to lose one more time the permanent teeth, so these permanent teeth, they are not replaced by the new teeth again. That means no new teeth will grow in place of permanent teeth. Remember, so that's why it is our responsibility to take care of our permanent teeth. What is the reason? Because no new teeth will grow in that place again. So that's why we should take care of ourselves so that we should have the permanent. We should not lose that permanent. If we are losing that, that means the name itself, we are losing that permanently. Understood? That's the difference. So, today, on today's session, a small assignment is there based on today's session. It is a very small assignment. What is the assignment? Listen here carefully. In the beginning only, I told you the difference between tooth and teeth. Tooth and teeth. You know already what is the difference between tooth and teeth. What is the assignment is? Listen carefully. You have to make sentence of your own. You have to make sentence of your own using both the words tooth and teeth. Got it, children? One sentence only. You have to make a sentence of your own using the words, both the words tooth and teeth. Is it clear? I hope you will be ready for the next session with your answers. Thank you, children.